Stress. It's difficult to give specific advice for dealing with stress. That's because the entire Buddhist system is designed to eliminate stress. In Buddhism, the central issue is dukkha, which is often translated as stress. And the solution to it is the Eightfold Path. Meditation is an important aspect of this, and there are different meditation techniques that you can use. I'll outline briefly here the specific technique that the Buddha taught. When you are breathing in and out with long breaths or short breaths, recognize what you're doing. Breathe in and out, being sensitive to your entire body. Breathe in and out, calming your breath. Breathe in and out, sensitive to intense joy. Breathe in and out, sensitive to pleasure. Breathe in and out, sensitive to mental fabrication. Breathe in and out, calming mental fabrication. Breathe in and out, sensitive to the mind. Breathe in and out, satisfying the mind. Breathe in and out, steadying the mind. Breathe in and out, releasing the mind. The rest of the instructions are fairly advanced, so I'll leave the instructions here. To learn more, you can look up mindfulness of breathing, as taught by the Buddha in the Pali Canon. One thing I want to point out is that the Buddha explicitly tells people to calm the breath and calm the mind. He does not just want you to observe.